The last important piece of the puzzle is once you've recorded some kind of educational or professional video, what do you do with it next? Two options you can use are first to upload them to a learning management system like Blackboard or any of the other learning management systems out there, or upload them to YouTube. I'm going to focus on uploading them to YouTube and show you some ways that you might be concerned about posting your videos on YouTube. To tell you don't need to be concerned, I'll show you a few settings and some ways that you can be happy with uploading your content to YouTube. So first, let me just show you a learning management system, Blackboard, real quickly, and how you can deal with that. Most of them will work fairly similar. What I might do if I was using Blackboard is upload a video into a section here called Course Materials. And then very easily you just click on Build Content and Video. And then you browse your computer for the video that you want to upload. So I might want to upload one of these that I've already done. And you can give it a name, video editing, for example. And then just click Submit, and it will upload the video and provide a link for your students. Now I'm going to focus on probably the most popular option here, and that is YouTube. So I'm using an email account here that I know I have never used YouTube with before, and so let's see how you upload a YouTube video if you've never done one before. You probably want to get a Gmail account because all of Google's products are kind of linked together that way these days. Click on YouTube, and you might need to hit sign in again, as I did. So I had to click sign in, and now we're on YouTube. I want to get rid of some ads, and it tells me now I am registered with YouTube because this is the first time I've ever used it with this email address. Now to upload a video, it's just as simple as clicking upload. And what they're asking me here is, do I want to upload this as myself, Mark Berkey, or do I want to create a new YouTube channel? Google allows you the opportunity to have more than one YouTube channel associated with an email address, or you can just upload it as yourself. I think it's a little bit better an idea if you're going to make these videos public to create a YouTube channel. Like my YouTube channel I call Berkey Academy. So if you want to create a YouTube channel, you'd click here. So let's just do it as myself without having to do anything fancy here. And then the simplest way to upload a video is just to drag a video here where it says files to upload. So I have some videos that I shot here about making a solar water heater for a pool. Little experiment I did. So I'm going to upload that video. And while it's uploading, two things are going to happen. It's going to finish sending the video to YouTube. Then YouTube is going to process it into a format that is easier for streaming the content on the internet. While it's uploading, though, you don't have to wait for it to finish. You can go ahead and set some settings. It already gives you the link that people will be able to find it at right here. So if all you want to do is be able to send a link out to students or send a link to a colleague, you can go ahead and take this link and go ahead and post it in an email or some other kind of announcement, and you're fine. Now, one thing you have to decide is, do you want this video to be available to everyone in the world? And that's the default here, is public. If it's going to be public, then you want to give this a nice title and a description that will be searchable so people can find your video, and some tags. These are basically keywords that you want to give people so that YouTube knows when to suggest this video to people who've just watched a related kind of topic. Now, especially when you're getting started, maybe you don't want the whole world to watch your videos. Maybe you want these videos just to be for a colleague or for your students. If so, just click this little drop down box, and there are two options here: unlisted or private. Private means no one can watch it but you. Unlisted means that people will not be able to search to find this video. This video will not be suggested to anyone who's watched a related video on a related topic, that they will only be able to access this video if they have the link. So this would be appropriate if you only want to send links to your students or provide links in a syllabus, say a PDF syllabus with links. This will mean that only those students will be able to get access to it. This is probably a good way to start until you get your confidence going and you think that you want your content to be watched by everyone around the world. You can set them to unlisted, and then you can always change these later to allow people to be able to watch them. Other things you might feel like doing, this is not necessary, is advanced settings. You can choose to allow whether people can make comments on your videos, allow whether people can give them a thumbs up or a thumbs down on your video. Just one other thing that you want to do, I'm going to pause the video here and I'm going to wait until it's done processing to show you something else that you probably want to do. Okay, this video is almost done processing, and what I wanted to show you is one thing people are finding is extremely important about a video is the thumbnail. Whenever you're looking at YouTube videos, you see a little tiny picture, a screenshot of one frame from that video, and that's a very important decider of whether somebody's going to click and watch that video or not. So what YouTube does is it picks 3 frames from the video and allows you to select which of these 3 do you think most accurately represents what the video is about. As you upload more and more videos, and YouTube gets to use some kind of algorithm to trust you, whether you're a good YouTuber or not, at some point they might send you an email and upgrade you to a partner, where that gives you a few different benefits. One of the benefits is they will let you select your own picture to use as the thumbnail instead of just one of these 3 that YouTube has selected. Now for me, I think this, if I had to pick between these 3, this one in the middle is probably going to be the one I would pick. Although if I could choose my own frame, I might choose a frame of the finished product. Since this is a solar water heater, I would want people to know kind of what the finished idea looked like, and that might give people the incentive to click on this video and watch it. So it's not too difficult, even though this video is not done processing yet. It's only at 95%. At any point you can hit done and just go on about your business, and as YouTube finishes processing this video, the quality of the video will get a little clearer, but it'll be ready to watch at some point in the next few minutes, and you can just go ahead and have that same link that we were looking at before. Just copy that, paste it somewhere, and you're ready to go about your business. You don't have to wait for this whole thing to finish. So when it's all done, when you come back to your account, you'll probably see a list of random YouTube videos. If you want to go and look at your videos and try to organize them, put them into playlists, delete them, or edit some of the other information, what you want to do is click on the little icon over here that if you've uploaded a picture of yourself to your Gmail account, it might appear here, and click on Creator Studio. And on Creator Studio, you can see your most recent videos. You can click all. Here we only have one video. If you want to edit any of that information, like the name of the video or the description, you can do that here, and then just click Save Changes or Cancel. So those are the basics. There's always more to learn, but this is, I think, enough to get you started with uploading your videos to YouTube. Good luck making your own educational videos, guys.